All 126 assembly constituencies for Assam, the polling shall be just in one phase, and the polling shall take place on 9th of April, Thursday, 2026. The counting shall be on 4th of May. All 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala shall also go for polling on 9th April, that is Thursday, and counting shall be on the same day, that is 4th May 2026. Puducherry also will go along with Assam and Kerala. The date of poll is 9th April and the counting will be 4th of May. Tamil Nadu, all 234 assembly constituencies will go for poll on 23rd of April in one phase, and the counting shall be on the same day for all the 5 states/UT, that is 4th of May 2026. West Bengal, the 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in 2 phases. In the first phase, 152, and the second phase, 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May 2026. There will be 8 by-elections also, that is Goa, Gujarat, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Nagaland and Tripura. The name of the constituencies are mentioned here and the reasons, which will be circulated to you. And the schedule would be that the assembly constituencies for Goa, Karnataka, Nagaland and Tripura will be held, the polling will be held on 9th of April, and for the assembly constituencies of Gujarat and Maharashtra on 23rd. The counting shall be on 4th of May for all the cases. Thank you.
Now we shall begin with the question answer session. I'll request all of you to introduce yourselves and your organization before you ask the question. I'll also request you to ask one question per person and kindly do not repeat the questions. We shall be taking questions in groups of 5, after which the Honorable Chief Election Commissioner shall respond to that, and then we go on to the next round of questions. 6, 40, 94, 25.
Hello.
3.
जी, मेरा सवाल है, एबीपी न्यूज से मैं मोहित दुबे हूं सर, सामने 40 नंबर। सर मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि पिछली बार पश्चिम बंगाल विधानसभा चुनाव 8 चरणों में कराया गया था और इस बार आप 2 चरणों में करवाने जा रहे हैं। इसके पीछे क्या रीजन है? क्या आपने ऐसी तैयारी कर ली कि 2 ही चरणों में आप करवाने जा रहे हैं? और एक इसी से संबंधित दूसरा सवाल है कि तमाम विपक्षी दल जो हैं, अपोजिशन जो हैं, वो आप पे निशाना साधते हुए नजर आ रहे हैं। आप पे आरोप ये लगाते हैं कि आप भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं, तो उन विपक्षी दलों को आप क्या जवाब देंगे? और आप इकलौते मुख्य चुनाव आयुक्त हैं जिसके खिलाफ लोकसभा राज्यसभा में महाभियोग का नोटिस भी दिया गया है, तो आप जो नोटिस दिया गया है उसको लेकर आप क्या जवाब देंगे? थैंक यू।
Sir, this side Harsha from Republic TV. Sir, my first question, sir, earlier this week you had sought the list of police officials during whose presence the post-poll violence took place in the year 2021 in West Bengal. So what's the status of it? And sir, whether those police officials will be deployed in the polling state in West Bengal during election or not? So second one, so when can we expect the supplementary list? Sir, already 15 lakh have been disposed from the adjudication list. When can we expect the supplementary list?
नीरज
सर नीरज हूँ न्यूज 18 इंडिया से। हमारा सवाल यह है कि मैं उसी को आगे सवाल बढ़ा रहा हूँ जो महाभियोग को लेकर नोटिस दिया गया है संसद में, और ऐसे वक्त में 5 राज्यों के विधानसभा चुनाव की घोषणा भी हो रही है। बंगाल में टीएमसी की तरफ से सवाल ज्यादा खड़े किए गए हाल के दिनों में, तो ऐसे तमाम विपक्षी दल जिन्होंने नोटिस दिया है उनके लिए आपका क्या मैसेज है? क्योंकि चुनाव की प्रक्रिया में आप खुद कहते हैं कि फ्री एंड फेयर इलेक्शन होंगे, तो विपक्ष के लोगों को क्या कहेंगे?
सर, मैं अश्विन कुमार सिंह एनडीटीवी से। सर, आपकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस शुरू होने से कुछ देर पहले बंगाल की सरकार ने 500 रुपए का मानदेय बढ़ाया पुजारियों और मुआजिनों के लिए, और साथ ही डीए भी बढ़ाया गया है। तो क्या ये मॉडल कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट लागू हो एक तरीके से आपकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस के 30 मिनट पहले किया गया, तो क्या कमीशन इस पर कुछ विचार करेगा?
सर,
First of all, I'd like to make clear that the model code of conduct is applicable from now onwards. So actions taken prior to model code of conduct is the prerogative of the concerned government. But now onwards, the model code of conduct shall be applicable. With regards to the West Bengal elections to be held in 2 phases instead of 8 phases earlier, the Commission has held detailed deliberations, and in its considered opinion, it was found necessary to reduce the number of phases and bring it down to an extent where it is convenient for everybody. With regards to the police officers who were involved in the violence in earlier elections, the list has been sought of, as is known to the media during our visit to the West Bengal, and necessary action as per law shall be taken. With regards to the supplementary list, as per the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court, the learned judges, working under the directions of the Honorable High Court of Calcutta, would be bringing out this supplementary list. And as and when the supplementary list, the names are coming out, they shall be included in addition to the existing electors. With regards to some other questions, I would like to make it clear that elections in all these 4 states and the Union Territory of Puducherry shall be violence-free and inducement-free. Commission will take strict action if anything to the contrary is noticed or reported.